Okay, just see this one. See this one. Open. Okay, this one is the output. Okay, this one is the output. I'm directly opening. Okay. First, before you write this thing, what you do is you're going to open a notepad. Okay, open a notepad and write this thing. This is the first line that you have to write before you write an XML structure. Okay. So in that you have to define what XML version you are using and what encoding you are using, UTF. Okay. So this, I'll close this all. See this one. You can see the bookstore out here. You can see the bookstore. I hope it's visible to all of you. You can see the bookstore. So this particular bookstore is the root out here. That defines we are storing the book details in this particular XML structure. Okay, we are going to store the book. We are going to store the book details in this particular XML structure. So what do we have in the, this is the root, bookstore is the root. Now the second thing that we have to understand is the child. So the first child of this particular book is book category. You can see book category, and another book category, subchild. So what do we have as a subchild is title, author, year, price. And then we have defined the value for all of that thing also. Okay. Title is Everyday Italian, author is Gaddi Day, and then year we have 2005, and then the price is being written as 30. So this is the way that we are going to store the data. So similarly, this is about the one child. We are going to close this child, open another one. Again, you have another book there where the title is Harry Potter, J.K. Rowling, year is 2005, and the price is also being defined. So this is about the another child, this again another child, and these are the subchild. So similarly, you can have like in one root you can have like many child, and under each child you can have the subchild. Understood? So now what we can do is that, so with this particular thing you can, the thing is understood how the XML structure is being defined. Okay, so let us see all of this. Okay, this is one child, this is second child, this is third, and then this one is the fourth. So this is how the XML structure looks like. Is that clear to all of you? So this particular XML, it is just going to simplify the things by data sharing. So this is very easy to share with you guys also, and in this things is like compatible in all of the browsers. So like most of the computer system, what happens, they contain the data in an incompatible format. Okay, so this can be overcome by the use of the XML. This XML is very much compatible in all of the systems because it can be opened in all of the browsers also, right? So this it is very easy to share the data. This particular thing is very easy for sharing, for data transportation also, and even if I need to change the platform also, this is very easy to change the platform from one particular platform to another. And then the data availability is also the most important part. Okay, so I'll show you another example. Okay, a very simple example out here. Just see, this is the XML thing that I've written in a notepad. Okay, this is like format for sending a letter. Suppose just an example. As I've said you, this XML is self-descriptive. Okay, we do not have any kind of a predefined, and then you can check the things. Okay, so I have shown you about the, like you have seen the example of the book category also. You can see out here, this is about the book category. We have written this particular file in a notepad. You have written this code in a notepad and then saved it in an XML format, and then you can open that in a